Alright boys, Manticore still here with a stock call. Gonna have the same settings in it as I showed in test video number 1 today. I'll let you look at what we've got here. We've got a couple of smaller Civil War bullets there. We've got a couple of larger ones. Shotgun shell bags, a general services button, a junker ring. We've got a decent one there, I believe it's made out of pewter. I think that's the top of a finial there above that junker ring. Okay. Now remember, I'm just looking at this window right here, coming across the nail. I'm not going to be coming down the barrel of the nail. That's a 54 caliber Civil War bullet. No detection. You see where it's at, okay? We'll use that same colonial nail for all the testing. Shotgun shell bag. Now that protrudes above that nail, but it is reporting up there in my zone. See that? Traditional settings with a Manticore, you would probably not detect that shotgun shell bag sweeping down the barrel of that nail. There's a Honker 69 bullet, okay? Now remember, our nail size can vary in the wild. No detection, notice that. Okay? In this screen, if I open the screen up, is it possible we would get detection with that being above that nail? It's possible. I doubt it. Just because of how high it's riding up in that ferrule. See how high it's riding up there? Small Civil War bullet there. See that? That was dug by the old sharpshooter. You know, I do detect. Alright? See where it's at? No detection, okay? None. An even smaller Civil War bullet, I believe. Can't confirm for sure, but anyway, it is what it is. See what we've got? Now I'm going to pull this bullet back from this nail some. Now it's sitting there, okay? No detection. It does not come in sharpshooter's window. Alright? Pewter ring, I believe. That was dug with an E-track. Read low on the screen, boys. So we get that. Okay? Here's a flat button without a shank. It is bent. Let's see what happens on it. If you find them in a side, boys, you're in the right place, okay? Now it is bent. I do get detection on it. Not the greatest, but remember, it is bent. I'm going to roll it over and turn it. Alright. I do get some signal up there, but it's barely coming in my window. But it being bent could be driving that somewhat, okay? I believe this is the top of a finial. See it right there? That's what I was told. See that? No detection. Okay. Different shotgun shell bag. Just the back part, really. See it there? No detection. You see where it's at in that screen. Okay. Now, I don't know what that is exactly. It was found in a real old site. See that? It's green. No detection. It's probably too high of a conductor. Okay. Round ball, small. See it right there? It's not making the grade, boys. You notice that? general services button. Okay, those are high conductors. I doubt we'll hit it. Okay, see where it's reading down there? Too high of a conductor. Okay. And here's a more modern little button dug out of a side. That's what that is. It's got two holes in it. Comes up short. Okay. So, you know, you can think what you want about this. Okay. But remember what Sharpshooter said. Higher conductors. And most of my testing had been done with rings and coins. Now, let's put this bullet back in here. See that little bullet right there? It is the shape it is, okay? It doesn't make the grade. Now what we will do, I'll remove the nail, change modes on this machine. High conductor, altering high conductor. Let's see what the conductivity is of that. So that's the conductivity of that bullet, but remember, it also has a shape. It does the shape of the target with the bird dog have anything to do with it? Well, it may have. Conductivity I know does, because it's like an Indian head penny will fail. Smaller gold rings pass. Nickels pass. So the shape of the target and conductivity both could be drivers. Okay? But still, if this is not hurting you when you're running this machine like this, if it's not going to hurt you having that upper Ferris limits window open up like that, if it's not going to hurt you, it can only help you. If it's not going to hurt you, depending on which kind of target you come down a nail with, okay? Hope you enjoyed.